Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Mongoose Parts is probably one of the most crucial aspects of keeping your bike in top condition, and with so many options available, finding the right parts can feel overwhelming. This video will guide you through the essential components, helping you choose the best replacements to maintain your Mongoose bicycle's performance and longevity, ensuring a smooth and safe riding experience. Number 5. Boao Complete V-Type Bike Brake Set. This set includes everything you need for a complete brake system upgrade. It comes with brake calipers, levers, and cables, ready for installation. The brakes are precisely sized to fit most bikes. The brake pads and levers are designed for optimal performance and comfort. They're made from high-quality alloy and plastic, built to withstand various weather conditions and provide long-lasting use. They are resistant to cold, heat, and oxidation. Installation is quick and easy, simply mount them onto your bike, replacing your old brakes. Enjoy a smoother, safer ride. These brakes are compatible with many bikes, including mountain bikes and smaller-wheeled bikes. They are lightweight and easy to carry. You can easily adjust the brake arm tension for a customized feel. This ensures a smooth and responsive braking experience. What we like. It includes everything you need for a complete brake system upgrade. The components are sized to fit most bikes, ensuring a perfect fit. If you need a durable and reliable brake set that can withstand various weather conditions, this is the one for you. What people say. It was an ease to install and the brake shoes provided seems to endure some good usage. I would definitely recommend to a friend. Package came great in the box. Everything is up to length. My husband used this product to repair my bike. He said they were easy to install but he could have used some basic instructions. My bike looks good now and the brakes work much better now. Number 4. MEGHNA 21 Speed Shifters. Upgrade your bike with our MEGHNA 21 Speed Shifters. Enjoy smooth, comfortable shifting on any ride. These twist shifters offer 21 speeds for versatile riding. They're easy to use and built to last. Experience precise and reliable gear changes with these shifters. Say goodbye to missed shifts and hello to smooth transitions. The ergonomic design minimizes hand fatigue, even on long rides. Enjoy enhanced comfort and control. They fit various bikes, from mountain bikes to kids' bikes. It's a great upgrade for any cyclist. Built to withstand the rigors of regular use. They're a durable and reliable addition to your bike. The compact design saves space on your handlebars. Enjoy a clean and uncluttered look. This set includes comfortable handlebar grips for a complete upgrade. Enjoy a more comfortable and secure grip. What we like. This offers a smooth and comfortable shifting experience, minimizing hand fatigue during long rides. The ergonomic design and durable construction make it suitable for various bike types. If you're looking for an upgrade that enhances your riding comfort and control, consider this option. What people say. Easy install, looks cool, and operates very well. This shifter is identical to the one that was on the Huffy. Same name, skillful, and pattern. Very easy install. Number 3. Bicycle Twist Grip Shifters. Get ready to experience smoother gear changes. This set includes durable twist grip shifters and comfortable handlebar grips for enhanced control. It's designed for seamless integration with Shimano bicycles. Enjoy precise shifting and a reliable performance. The soft rubber grips provide excellent comfort and control, even on long rides. They are built to last and resist cracking. With 3x7 speed compatibility, you'll have the perfect gear for any terrain. Shift effortlessly between speeds with the easy-to-use twist grip design. This package contains everything you need, a pair of shifters and a pair of handlebar grips. It's a simple upgrade for a better riding experience. They are made from high-quality plastic and rubber, ensuring long-lasting performance and resistance to wear and tear. What we like. This is easy to install and made of high-quality materials for long-lasting use. It's compatible with Shimano bikes, making it a convenient choice for many riders. If you need a simple yet effective upgrade for your bike's shifting system, this is a great option. What people say. The quality is good. Installation was easy and the fit was perfect. This brake caliper was very easy to install and adjust, works perfectly. These were a breeze to install and have a firm, positive feel to them. Number 2. Alpcour Replacement Skewer. This will be your bike trainer's new best friend. It fits perfectly on your bike's rear wheel axle, keeping you stable and preventing tipping. It's a rear wheel replacement skewer, saving you time and effort. Installation and removal are quick and easy. It features a quick release for simple locking. It's easy for beginners and strong enough to withstand intense workouts for professionals. It's compatible with most bike trainers, but works best with Alpcour stands. It fits rear axles with a diameter of 4.92-6.57. Made with high-quality alloy, it's incredibly durable and corrosion-resistant. It's built to last through any weather and for all types of biking. What we like. It offers a hassle-free setup and a secure fit for your bike trainer. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use skewer for your bike trainer, this is a perfect choice. What people say. Strong construction and a good fit. I bought an Alpcour bike trainer used, but it was missing axle skewer to be able to connect the wheel to the trainer. This worked perfectly and was easy to use. I bought this quick connect skewer to solve an issue created when I installed a front bicycle rack on my mountain bike. The rack added a 1/2 inch to overall necessary length to secure the rack struts to the quick connect skewer. And this worked perfectly. I liked the silver color of the release mechanism of this part. Number 1. Inkesky RD-TZ31-GS. Get ready to experience smoother, more precise shifting with this innovative rear derailleur. It's designed for superior performance on any mountain bike trail. This derailleur is compatible with both 6- and 7-speed drivetrains, giving you the flexibility to upgrade your existing setup or build a new bike from scratch. It features a direct mount design, ensuring a secure and stable connection to your frame. This eliminates the need for a hanger, simplifying installation and maintenance. The medium cage provides a great balance between capacity and overall size, suitable for a wide range of mountain biking terrains and riding styles. It's specifically engineered for the demands of mountain biking, providing reliable performance even on the toughest trails. Enjoy smoother shifting and improved control. Remember, it's a direct mount derailleur, not a hanger mount. Double-check your bike's compatibility before purchasing. What we like. It's a direct mount rear derailleur, offering a clean and efficient setup. The medium cage is suitable for various cassette sizes. If you need a reliable and efficient rear derailleur for your mountain bike, this is a great option. What people say. It's pretty easy to install, just a bolt to mount to the hanger. Instead of breaking the chain to thread it, I just popped one screw off the cage. Worked just fine. The H&L screws turn easy and are easily accessible. For the money I would do it again, but the range of motion makes this a 5-speed, not a 6 or 7-speed derailleur. Seems to be made well and easy to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.